Let's welcome on board Mr. Rajesh Prasad, the Director at Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, to talk to us about what could this mean for the company going forward. Hi, good morning. Thank you so much for making time and speaking with us, Rajesh. Just wanted to begin by asking, this order which is there for Vande Bharat, what exactly could be the quantum of this? Because we know that the total order size is quite large, but what part comes to you in the consortium and what does it take your total order book to?
Okay, very good morning, Anisha, Awane, and Mr. Nikunj. And thank you very much for making RVNL as part of your flagship show today. So the question which you have asked about the recent tender of 200 numbers of Vande Bharat train sets. Basically, this Vande Bharat is a semi-high speed sleeper coach, 16 cars, and the supply is to be made over a period of say 3.5 years. And it has got a maintenance component also, comprehensive maintenance for a period of 35 years. And we have become L1. We have signed an MOU with JS company Metro Wagon Mass, having a share of around 60%. RVNL is having a share of around 25%. JS company Locomotive Electronic System, LES, they have got a share of 5%. And the role of RVNL is the upgradation of the infrastructure for the production and the maintenance, the assembly execution, maintenance on train execution, the SPV management. We will be forming an SPV, then financing and the capital investments. And then a lot of design related issues are there. So Indian Railway, the design interface testing. So we will be involved in that. Then the approval coordination, this also becomes very important with the Ministry of Railways and the RDSO. And you wanted to know about the quantum of the project. So that I can tell you that the approximate cost of the project, see, it is not only the manufacturing component, it has got the maintenance component as well. And we are L1 with this SPV, and we will be giving an order, getting an order. See, LOA is yet to be issued. Only the bids have been opened, and 60% of the total quantum of work will come to this SPV. That is approximately 120 numbers of, it is approximately 120 numbers of train sets. And see, these train sets will be manufactured at Latur. I don't know how many of you are aware about the Latur workshop. And we were the creation of the Latur workshop. We wanted to take over this Latur workshop once it was commissioned. This particular project of Latur workshop, the turnkey project, was sanctioned in August 2018, and we got it commissioned in December 2020 on the Good Governance Day, the birthday of the Honorable late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So we were involved in the Latur workshop.
Yes, Mr. Prasad, I'm sorry to interject there, but just to carry forward the point that you were talking about, what could be the incremental revenue that can come from this order, let's say in FY24-25? When's the timeline that the execution will begin? Because you talked about the overall timeline of 3.5 years and this needs to be executed in. Will it start trickling in FY24 itself?
Yeah. So see, the LOA is yet to be issued. Number one, you'll have to make a note of this. It is only the financial bid which has been opened. So let the LOA should be issued. Let the agreement be signed. Let the SPV may be formed. I have told you about the MOU provisions, who are the partners in this. There will be some initial capital infusions. The capital infusion will be in phases. The initial infusion by RVNL will be of the order of around 100 crores. The project has good IRR. And see, it has got a component of 35 years of maintenance. So whatever you are seeing that 120 crores for the 200 train sets, the maintenance will be, average maintenance cost will be of the order of 4% plus of the train set every year. So that component will continue for a period of 35 years. So you can work out the basically in terms of the growth in the order book, total 55,000 crores, where we have got a share of 25%, plus the maintenance component of these 200 sets, which will continue over a period of 35 years, and the maintenance charges will be 4% plus this is the quote which is the provisions made in the tender document.
Once the order starts coming in your order book, can I say that the real first incremental change will only happen in FY 25 or 26? Next 18 months, you will not get any fresh upside from this order.
Yes, yes. There are so many formalities which are required to be concluded before that. This is a unique kind of project. A SPV has to be formed, contract agreement has to be signed, the design related issues are to be concluded. And we want to basically make a model. This is RVNL's greatest strength, that we are diversifying. We are entering into the new model. And this company has been a very high performing company. And yes, we are fully focused on this. We are fully aware about the challenges. And we have constructed large number of this kind of turnkey projects, which was the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. And the idea behind the turnkey projects, that the train sets, the locomotives, the coaches will be manufactured, maintained. And we have completed 15 such projects on a record pace. We have got the exposure, we have got the experience, and we just wanted to diversify. And we are very happy to inform to the investors, the esteemed TV viewers, that we are getting diversified, we are having a very positive outlook, and we are growing.
Optimistic. Good morning, Mr. Prasad. Avan as well joining in on the discussion. So other than Vande Bharat, tell us a little bit more about some of the other projects in railways as well as non-railways that the company is looking at.
Yeah, last time when I had come to your TV channel about 3.5 months back, then you were I don't know whether you were there or not. One of the question was how to increase the order book to 1 lakh crores, that we have been working. I said that we are becoming from local to global. So our focus is from the local rail infra to global all infra. And the RVNLs, we have got a 3D approach. And with this 3D approach, we have completed and commissioned more than 120 plus projects, maybe 125 by March 2023. And the 3D is basically design, develop, and dedicate. The company has got a few key strengths: the will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach to the full potential. And we have been working. So what I wanted to tell you is that we are going to have a very healthy order book. We are diversifying. We have already entered into the non-railway projects. We have already started executing the non-railway overseas projects. So we have got a lot of focus on the all kinds of projects. And metro segment is one segment where we are eyeing, and we want to have basically a lot of projects related to the metro segments, high-speed segments, and the diversifications like this train set business.
Currently is at 55,000 crore as per your last con call data. Any reason for you to revisit it, revise it, or come up with a new number?
This is the only financial bid has been opened. What I am saying is the LOA, letter of acceptance, be issued, and the agreement be signed, and then SPV is formed. And regarding the order book, 55,000 crores, we will reconcile after the financial year FY 22-23 by 31st March, and then we can come back with the numbers of the order book. But I can tell you the future of this company has been very, very bright. And if you allow me, then I can give you some kind of comparison. The RVNL share price in last 1 year, with respect to the 1st April 2022, from 33, it has gone to 65 plus. And in terms of the BSE 500, 23,800, it has gone down. The BSE Infra 288, it has gone down. But this company has been growing. This is the biggest strength of the company. We have got a proven track record. It is a really very high performing company. And I can tell you that in time to come, you will find so many new kind of infrastructure projects in our order book.
Right.
And we will be growing almost in the same pace as far as the bottom line is concerned.
And we will interact with you as and when you do continue that growth path. Thank you so much for joining in. That's RVNL. The stock continues to remain a buzz in trade. What else is a buzz?